Good day, fellow investors. So where are we on this bubble chart now? Because I get a lot of comments, this time we are in a new era, this time it's different, and Sven is getting hysteric or panicking or missing out on the great gains that everyone is making. Now, I look at the market, I look at the performance, I look at the valuation expansion, and everything is great. Okay, now we are here. P ratio, forward P ratio looks good again, not too exuberant, Sven. I see Wall Street is expecting 50% growth in earnings over the next 2 years. Thus also Wall Street is very exuberant. Margins, corporate margins are at historical high, and you can see this margins always go up, go up, go up until there is a shock that lowers them. So where are we now? I think that 2020, everyone at home, everyone investing, was where stocks started to get the media attention. Then we got enthusiasm, 2023, greed going into 2024. And where are we now between delusion and, let's say, a new paradigm? So maybe denial, just buy the dip, money on the sidelines is what I hear. But when it comes to the stock market, where we are, I just think that now, no matter where we are, it's very risky to invest because of what happens usually next when it comes to bubbles. And maybe, yes, this time is different. I'm not here to predict crashes or whatever. I'm just looking at the risk and reward of things, because that is value investing. We look at what can go right, what can go wrong. And when I look at this market, and when I look at the risk and reward on our quadrant, where we have low reward to high reward on the x-axis, and risk, let's say, from low risk to high risk on the y-axis, and when it comes to the current market, how do I see investing? I see it like this. So this is the line that I don't want to cross when it comes to investments. I can be in treasuries, I can be in Berkshire, I can be in food, commodities, research platform where I have the hedges. So that is something that I don't want to cross. And yes, things are interesting here, but for me, this is crazy to have any money that I want to enjoy over the next 10, 20 years in things like that. Because I want to be investing in a no matter what, I am okay situation. Not if things go wrong, the market capitulates and everything goes wrong. And perhaps this is just me, but I was born in a communist country. I have lived through hyperinflation twice, seen a war, been there, done that. Then I've lived in the 2000s, the boom that went into a bust. So I've seen that again. 2010, ugliness, Europe, economic issues that went to zero interest rates, that lifted again everything up. Then we had pandemic, inflation coming, going back, and then now we are there coming back again. And who knows what will the 2030s look like? Most likely it will be just different than what we have enjoyed in the past. But exactly that. Even if it's different, I want to be good. And that is the key message of value investing. And that's the key message I want to give you for the next year, for the next decade. No matter what, we are good.